Hello everyone, this is Harry from Asus Communication. I'm here to showing you how you can install a new RAM into your notebook. This notebook I have a Aspire 5538 and this is a Kingston RAM. This is 1GB DDR2 RAM. Okay, we'll install in this notebook, and at the same process you can remove your old RAM from your notebook. And sometimes you could check the RAM. If you have some problem with the RAM, you can make it out the RAM and put again. Touch the RAM always as this, don't touch at the middle. Okay, first of all we'll go to the back of the notebook, back side. When you see some mark as this, I'm sorry the camera is not focusing fine, but you will see something as this, as a design of the RAM normally. Okay, and then you can realize this is a RAM, this place for the RAM, and this is for the hard disk or hard drive. Okay, this is for the RAM, and I will be back when I lose these two screws. Okay, I lose these two screws. I will open this cover. Here it is, not so difficult. In this notebook I have one RAM. It's 2 GB, and there is one place is empty. First I will show you how can you remove the RAM. We have two clips at two sides of the RAM. Remove this one. Be carefully remove the other one. It will come out by itself, and gently drag it out. So simple. We will put a new RAM into this. Check the hole at its perfect place. Put there, gently put, and you hear some sound of that clip, and it's fixed at its place. It's fine. We can put this RAM too at this side as this, and these two hole meet together perfectly. Now we put, and it will make some sound of two side of that two clip. It's perfect now. Cover perfectly fine. Okay, I'm little bit fighting with this. Okay, this is fixed perfectly. After this, only one thing is remain. We just need to tight the screw, and I'm tightening the screw. Okay, that's all. And open your notebook and check it is working fine or not. Thank you so much for watching. If you have some question, or if you face any difficulty by changing this, or any difficulty with your notebook, leave me some comment. Okay, for more information, as always, go and check www.ariscommunication.com. Thank you so much for watching again. Good night. Ciao.